So Tesla stock just reported earnings. Let's go ahead and break down what it is that they shared with us today. So Tesla stock after market hours is down 5.4% and still consistently making lower highs and lower lows. It dropped 0.63% during normal trading hours. So again, was it a complete blowout? Why is it selling off so aggressively? Tesla as of right now is trading at 196. And again, this shouldn't be much of a surprise. Tesla has been selling off from highs of 265 to now lows of 196, hitting lows of 195.39 shortly after its earnings. Its guidance call is going on right now, and based off of what is being reported, it's not necessarily the best. So earnings per share came in at 71 cents when the forecast and the expectation were 73 cents. Its revenue came in a little bit lower at $25.17 billion versus the expectation or forecast of $25.61 billion. So they did miss earnings, which makes sense on why there was that initial sell-off. Now it had to do with the guidance, right? What were the executives going to say for future expectations when it comes down to Tesla stock? And reading a little bit more about this, and again, I believe we'll learn more as time goes on. But as of right now, we would say that they warned us that the growth rate may be notably lower in 2024 versus 2023. So it's just something to take into consideration where, based off of the sentiment that we currently had going on with Elon possibly taking his talents elsewhere when it comes down to the AI and robotics. Give me 1 second, Mamas. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay. So not only is there uncertainty with that, but now there's also uncertainty with potential investors seeing a slowdown for 2024. And again, just looking at it through the eyes of investors, you can't be surprised on maybe why they might not want to partake in 2024 if it doesn't look as great as 2023 and what has already been experienced. So I think that the sell-off makes sense. Do I think that the market could potentially bounce back? I mean, 100%. We're pretty much going to be back testing previous lows. As you can see, lows of 193.75. That's going to be probably what we're testing tomorrow. And this should be exciting, right? Because for all those that have been watching Tesla stock sell off, if you really think about it, it's down quite a bit from previous highs. So it's down about 25%, which means that it should offer double that when it begins to recover. Well, not necessarily, 33.5%. But that should be exciting because, again, if you weren't already invested in Tesla, then maybe this might be something that might meet your criteria and maybe look a little bit further into Tesla or investing in Tesla if it does actually begin to recover. So just wanted to provide you guys with a quick overall update. We'll talk about this a little bit more in detail during tomorrow's live trading session, and I hope to see you there. And if so, that's going to be that second link in the description down below. Hope that earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.